Okay, so now for part 2 of the 8 solution lab. What you'll notice is we're going to use the same concept, the same grid sheet, to take our 8 solutions that we know, but now we don't know what the unknown solution is. So I've got 31 different beakers like this, different containers like this, and what we're going to do is we've got to figure out what is this unknown. Okay, they're going to be numbered 1 through 31. Okay, your job will be to identify 7 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking a drop of each of the known reagents. So we're going to take a drop of nitric acid, and we're going to test it with the 7 unknowns. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with silver nitrate. Stagger these a little bit. Here we do not want the cells to overlap. There is no safety net with those, and so on. So we're going to keep on going with those. Then we're going to take a look and compare your data from the previous day when we were taking a look at the how we know the different solutions and how they react. Now we're going to be trying to match those up with our unknowns and figure out. Now this is the trick. This gets a little bit confusing for some people because our unknown is one of these 8. Okay, so my unknown number 1 that I showed you could be nitric acid. So you wouldn't expect to see anything here. So we got to be careful as we do this, that we're very clear in what we're adding to each of these known cells, and your job is to identify which of these unknowns is these, which of those unknowns are these 8 known solutions. Now I'm going to give a word of caution because these unknowns are generated just at random. So it's highly likely that you're going to get some repeats. It is also very likely that you might not have, because you only have 7 unknowns, one of these might not be included at all, and maybe there's a couple in there. Okay, so I don't want to leave anyone with the impression that just because we have 7 unknowns that it's a process of elimination, first of all. But second of all, I don't want you to leave with the impression that you're not going to have any repeats. In fact, it's highly likely that you get repeats. Okay? So we're going to be using our data to compare what we see when we mix these unknowns with the known solutions and match them up. Okay, so your task will be to take a look at the data when you get assigned your unknowns. You're going to be telling me what you think those are based on those. And we're going to do some write-up with that too, and I'll coach you through what I want for those.